Hello friends, Robert here with White House Custom Color. Today we're going to order an acrylic print. It is all going to begin and end on the website Whcc.com, and we'll go right to wall art and acrylic prints. Once we're there, go straight to order now and click that. Once we're in the interface, we'll just go ahead and download our images or upload our images into the film strip. While those are uploading, we'll look at the options here. So we want to do a 16 by 20. We just click on that and then look for our 16 by 20. And below that, we will see our backing options. If you need a review on that, just go back into the website and check out the product area. If we want to frame an acrylic, we can do that right here. Add our black or white frame. It'll preview it for us. And the surface is always going to be the same. Now, if I need two of these, that's no problem. I can just quantity up and the price will instantly change for us. Over to the images, we see that it has automatically loaded our first image in there. But let's say we wanted to do a horizontal image, no problem, just pull it in and drop it. The system will rotate the orientation for us, so that's not an issue. Now, if we're doing a 16 by 20 and we know that our file ratio is going to be different from the print size, you see when I click and hold, you can see the extra part of the image there. It's going to center crop by default. But here I can just pull that down wherever I want to and be happy with it. I can also zoom in and out if I wanted to do that and get it exactly how I like it. So now my image is what I want, what I see is what I get. I go down here and add to cart. The system will create my little proof for me here and give me the details of my order, and I can check and confirm here. Once that is confirmed, I'm going to proceed to checkout. I can also delete it. I can share actually a proof with my client, duplicate it or edit or save for later. In the checkout screen, the system is going to default my studio address. If I need to drop this directly to my client, that's no problem. Let's go down here to the shipping options. The system is going to default to the free shipping available with the particular product. So with this acrylic print, the free shipping is the ground shipping. Of course, I can update that both to my studio and a drop ship order, no problem. As I come down here, if I want to add a reference to myself, I would put that here in order reference, but if I wanted to leave an instruction for us here at Whcc, I would put that in special instructions. Once I'm ready, I just hit place order. And here we have the final product, this beautiful 16 by 20 acrylic print that we just ordered online. And that's how easy it is to do it. So there you go, you're all set to order your next acrylic print.